Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I want to go over the new pet toy that I got at Target, which is $200 with a starting kit, the Philips Hue. It comes with a bridge and a 4-color light bulb. It has everything for you already. So if you buy them separately, probably cost you over $250, so might as well get the starter kit and give it a try and see how it works, because I want to give it a try because it has color. I never had a color light bulb, so I want to give it a try. Yeah, so I'm gonna unbox it, and then the box itself is a support like Apple, Google. I can confirm that it works with Alexa, and it's a 6B technology, which is the automation, home automations protocol, stuff like that. And again, it comes with 4 bolts and a bridge, and the bridge itself, according to here, they're using a 2.4 gigahertz frequency. It's dimmable, cool daylight to warm white, or 60 million color. Brightness is 800 lumen, about 10 watt for each light bulb. So now here's the bridge. It's come with the 4 bulb. Let me get that out. It's 4-color bulb. It's very light, by the way. It's not heavy. I remember when I have my first LED Philips bulb, it was very heavy. Now they make it very light with today's technology, versus the first generation of LED bulb is like heavy. So this is the bulb. It comes with a bridge. You can connect to wireless, or you can use a Ethernet port, and they give you a cable. So okay, oh nice, they give you a Ethernet port here, so you don't have to figure out a cable, and a power adapter. And it's very smart. They give you this like little head, so if you go to the other country for this thing, they may give you a different plug, depends on your location. That's very smart. It's a push, go in, slide in, and then if you press this button, push, and you can able to push it out so easily. So let me set up the bulb using my the Islander light, which is here. So again, if you check out my previous video, like about Lutron versus Leviton, I personally like the bridge itself, because if this one light bulb represent one connection, then eventually you're gonna be one out of ports on your router. So having a bridge is kind of like a middleman. You can connect wherever X amount of device on the same product, and the bridge itself is going to connect using one port on your router. So I'll connect all 3 bolts, but I have extra one, but I'm gonna put somewhere else in the future. But I just want to test it how cool they are, and in the meantime, I'm gonna connect to the bridge. Yeah, so I set up my phone already. It's very simple. I feel like this bridge, wherever the design from Philips, is very smart, because it works locally. You don't need an internet in order to connect. So let's say if your internet is down, your internet service is down, you can still connect this locally, as long as you have power on your router. And then the second thing I like about is the security. It's like no one can connect unless you press this center button here. Once you center button you plus, and you download the app, then it automatically connecting to your phone without any login. So because you don't need to require login, that means that your device can connect to locally. Yeah, I think I'll try to turn off the light and see how it goes. There you go. It looks very bright color. Right now it's just like normal light bulb color. There's one thing about the starter kit is so good, is that I didn't connect the last bolt, so it come with 4 originally. I only connect right now only 3 of them. Because of the startup kit, it'll automatically detect all my 4 bolts, but just that the last one cannot be connected. So I think the setup wise is like very simple compared to other apps. And I confirm it works with Alexa, Google. I don't have Apple, so but I'm pretty sure it's gonna work. And this thing will work on IFTTT. So yeah, here is dimmable. So there you go. I like the light. It's like when I turn on, it's fade in. When you turn off, it's fade out. I like the ambient settings. On your phone, you can control the brightness, dimmable. It's very good. This is the brightest. Yeah, so this is the app. If you pick this color, pick this icon, it's give you a color you can choose from for all 3 light. And this is just the normal daylight to warm white settings. So it's basically 2 option settings. So let's try out the scene. So I set up like 3 lamps, and here this little color icon is so many scenes you can set already preset for you. You can pick it. Savannah sunset. Now you see the color is so different. And let me try tropical twilight. These are the preset one. You can always manual set yourself, so I have to play around what color I like. Spring blossom is so pretty. Arctic aurora. Yeah, I love the I feel like I'm at the disco at online club at my house. It's so pretty at night. This is relax mode, concentrating mode. This is the brightest, which is the cool daylight color. This is bright for warm white. This is the light, reading light, energizing, dim. So yeah, so there we have some preset settings for you, the color. And I also play around a little bit. You can also set the color and change it every X amount of minute you want. It looks very colorful, relaxing. And you can even program when to turn on, when to turn off, or using a sensor with IFTTT, the sensor, motion sensor trigger, then this light can turn on. There's so many things you can do nowadays with the light. Let's go back. Like the only thing downside is the whole Philips Hue. The kit is expensive. It does cost you way a lot of money in order to have this kind of like luxury, I would say a luxury features. Yeah, but at least once you get the bridge, you can get so many other Philips Hue product. So I do like the color light. I think I'm gonna put it on the backyard, so when I go enjoy in the backyard barbecue and friends hangs out, then we can turn on this light, set the color theme we want, and we'll have fun, and then we'll have a change every certain amount of minute. Yeah, so I would definitely recommending the Philips Hue because everything is so easy to set up. But of course, that is trade-off is the price compared to the others. I feel like I'm so enjoyable seeing all this different light of settings, make your mood feel differently. I guess, do you really worth for paying this? I guess depends. I love technology. I like to try. I was like, okay. And that's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed the review of my Philips Hue, and I'll see you the next video.